loves, thank you so much for tuning into my channel. If you're new here, my name is Show Love, and if you love this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. So today we're going to be learning how to curve text in Silhouette Studio. The first thing you want to do is go ahead and get your text ready. I'm just going to type in, I decided to become the light instead. Then I'm just going to fill the text so that you guys can see it better. And then I don't like this font, so I'm going to change that to something nicer. All right, I like that. So we're gonna go with that. And then you're going to draw a circle. Perfect. Now once you have your circle, you're just going to double click on your text until you see this circle with arrows inside of it. You're going to drag that over the line of the circle, and that's how you're going to create that curved look on your text. And once you're done with that, you want to come out of it, and then you're going to right click and click Convert to Path. That way your text will stay curved once you remove the circle. All right, and that's it, guys. You have successfully curved your text. Thank you so much for watching this video. And if you would like more videos like this, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Bye, loves.